Good night, teddy bear. Sleep tight. Don't let the thunder bite. Sleep tight. Don't let the thunder bite. I'm sleeping now. Look! Lightning! Lightning! Oh no! So loud! I don't like this. I need to find Mom. Door! Open! Please open now! Ugh, it's stuck. Come on. Come on. Open! This is bad, really bad. Mom! Mom, help! It's so dark now. The lights, they're gone. I can't see anything. I'm all alone. What's that? A shadow on the wall. Why do my toys look so weird? There's nothing there. No monster. Wait, no. It's a monster. Go away. Please go away.
It's raining hard out here. I should check on Tom. He hates thunder and lightning. Wait, what's that sound? It's coming from Tom's room. The door won't move. Tom, are you okay? I can hear you crying, sweetie. Don't be scared. Mommy's here.
Mom. You came. I need you. The door, it opened. Look, the light is back. It's warm now. I feel better. I'm so happy you're here.
My brave little boy. I'm sorry I was late.
There was a monster under my bed.
Monsters aren't real, sweetheart. Let's check together, okay? Look! Nothing here. See? No monster at all. How about we play a game?
A game?
Look, Tom. A tiny spider. It's small, but very brave.
Like me?
Yes, just like you.
Ow, the shadow looks cute now.
I'm always here for you, Tom.
I'm not scared anymore. The noise, it's fading. Huh? That's just my shirt. Silly me.
You're very brave, Tom. I'm proud of you.
Yay! The lights are back! Let's blow out the candle.
Thunder's gone. Rain is soft now. Everything is fine. And look, your new friend.
Wow, a flashlight. I can use it at night. No more scary shadows. I can see everything now. Look, Mom, I have light power.
Okay, hero. Time to sleep now.
Sure, Mom.
Stay warm. Don't kick off the blanket.
I won't. Promise. Good night, Mommy.
Good night, my love.